you. As the Michigan legislature prepares to wrap its session for the year, no-fault activists are calling for a vote to fix Michigan's 2019 auto insurance reform law.
They want lawmakers to amend the law and provide reimbursement for home care for those seriously injured in crashes before and after 2019 because they're not covered under any court decisions. Now, 13 on your side's Veronica Ortega is in the newsroom. And Veronica, this comes as the Michigan Supreme Court awaits hearing the case, correct?
That's right, Meredith and Jay. Back in August, the Court of Appeals ruled the reimbursement under the new auto reforms were unconstitutional. As we wait for the Michigan Supreme Court to hear the case, activists are pleading for change. The group says current legislative leaders have refused to hold a vote on the issue, but the group is not backing down, saying if it doesn't get passed next year, they plan to continue calling for change. More than 50% of Michigan counties, including Muskegon and Kent counties, have adopted resolutions to request a legislative fix to the reform law. The Michigan Home Care and Hospice Association says home care providers across Michigan have been forced to discharge crash survivors and not accept new patients due to the reformed law, which cut benefits by 45%. In a statement, the president and CEO of Michigan Home Care and Hospice Association said the fix is simple and not expensive. We should not wait on the courts to solve the unintended consequences from Michigan's 2019 auto no-fault reform. It's time for the Michigan legislature to make a difference for our most vulnerable citizens before legislators leave to enjoy the holidays. About 70% of Michigan drivers currently are choosing to pay for full PIP coverage, and activists fear if they are injured in a crash, the coverage they paid for will not give them the care they need. We will keep you posted. Jay?